Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a high coverage base that conceals any pigmentation and blemishes while still looking glowy and natural. If you're breaking out like I am here, then the chances are that the culprit is oily skin. To combat that, we're going to use an oil absorbing primer to start off with and a high coverage matte finish foundation and concealer. Once applied, you can press these products further into the skin using a damp beauty blender for a flawless blend. To create shape and dimension to the face, we're going to use 3 colours to contour with. One the same colour as your foundation, one slightly lighter and one slightly darker. With the same beauty blender, apply the lighter powder under the eyes and on any areas that you want highlighted. With an angled brush, apply the darker shade in areas to be contoured. And use the skin tone to blend the two together seamlessly. Highlighter can be applied to any areas that you want to look glowy, but do not apply any shimmery products anywhere that you have active acne or an uneven skin surface, or this will literally highlight them and nobody wants that. Setting powder can then be applied over the entire face to minimise pores and shine and for longevity. So there are some of my top tips for creating a flawless high coverage base. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do let me know what you think in the comments below.